Top 5 Best Radon Gas Test Kits. Number 5. Ecosense RD200 RadonEye. Ecosense RD200 RadonEye doesn't just measure radon, it stalks it like a detective who refuses to sleep. The device kicks out its first reading in just 10 minutes, a blink compared to the 48-hour patience test required by old-school charcoal kits. Behind that speed is a patented ion chamber sensor that counts 30 times every hour, turning invisible gas into a visible story on its glowing screen and in the phone app's charts. Each hour brings a new data point, plotted like a heartbeat on the SmartView trend chart. No waiting, no guessing, just live updates that let homeowners see how their air behaves through the day. The app connects via Bluetooth so the phone can check readings without chasing Wi-Fi signals, and customizable alarms can whisper or scream when radon creeps past safe levels. Professionals love the accuracy. Everyday users love timestamps on the detailed graphs would make the data perfect. Still, for anyone living above a hidden sea of uranium decay, the RD200 delivers peace of mind faster than fear can spread. Coming in number 4. Health Metric Radon Test Kit for Home Health. Metric's Radon Test Kit feels like a quiet act of responsibility, the kind of product that doesn't brag, just delivers clarity where you need it most. Each kit includes 2 small detectors, a prepaid mailer, and a clear set of instructions that even the most distracted homeowner can follow. Lay them out for 48 to 96 hours, seal them, send them back, and a few days later, your inbox holds the truth about your home's air. The simplicity is its power. No apps, no gadgets glowing in the dark, just clean analog trust. Shipping and lab fees are included, except in New Jersey, where bureaucracy apparently breathes heavier than radon. Results arrive fast, explained in plain English, complete with recommendations. Users appreciate the fairness. No upselling, no panic. It's independent testing without the bias of a contractor waiting to sell a fix. The only catch? For anyone wanting reliable answers without drama, Kit quietly wins by doing exactly what it promises. Measure, report, and let you breathe. Coming in number 3. Airthings 2930 Wave Plus. Airthings 2930 Wave Plus turns invisible threats into something you can actually understand. A full dashboard of the air you breathe. It's a sleek little disc that reads like a health check for your home. Radon, CO2, VOCs, humidity, temperature, and air pressure, all measured in real time. The magic is its honesty. It doesn't pretend to be a lab-grade instrument, but it tells the truth about patterns that matter. Whether your ventilation's working, whether radon levels rise at night, or if your cleaning spree just spiked VOCs. The app turns these readings into color-coded charts that feel more like stories than stats. Tap it, wave over it, or just glance at the glowing halo to see if your air is friend or foe. Setup takes patience, a week of calibration, and a few moments of tech wrestling, especially if you add the hub. But once connected, it hums quietly in the background, a watchful eye over your airspace. Expensive? Maybe. But it earns every cent by giving what few products can. Peace of mind measured in data, not guesswork. A modern guardian for those that prefer breathing to wondering. Coming in number 2, Airthings 2960 View Plus. Airthings 2960 View Plus is what happens when science finally gets stylish. It's a small, modern screen quietly watching over the air like a guardian that doesn't sleep. Radon, humidity, CO2, VOCs, particulates, and pressure, it tracks them all with the calm confidence of a weather station that moved indoors. The real charm lies in how it makes invisible problems visible. Data comes alive through a clean dashboard that updates in real time. No cables are waiting. Wi-Fi keeps everything synced, so even from miles away, you can see when your basement is flirting with danger, or your kitchen just choked on dinner smoke. Yes, it's pricey. Yes, the alerts can be overzealous, the kind of friend who texts you about every small crisis. Battery life also deserves a stern talk. 6 months is average before those energizers tap out. Still, Airthings keeps improving, even adding a battery life extension mode for longer runs. Despite the quirks, one of the smartest ways to actually know your air. More than a gadget, it's a lifestyle meter, quietly teaching that comfort isn't about temperature alone, but about breathing well and living consciously. Coming in number 1. Airthings Corentium Home Radon Detector 223 Portable. Airthings Corentium Home 223 is the kind of tool that makes invisible danger visible, quietly, precisely, and without drama. It's small, battery-powered, and endlessly patient, tracking radon like a scientist who never sleeps. Plug it in, wait 24 hours for your first reading, and within a week, you start to see the real rhythm of your home's air. The spikes, the calm days, the strange dance between weather and gas. Users have discovered patterns no short-term charcoal kit could ever reveal. Rain pushing radon higher, sun bringing it down, sealing a wall crack, dropping levels from 8 picocuries per liter to nearly 0 overnight. It doesn't just measure, it teaches. Simple in design, elegant in function, and reliable over years without calibration drama, this detector gives long-term peace of mind. The screen cycles through daily, weekly, and long-term average years without calibration drama. This detector gives long-term peace of mind. The screen cycles through daily, weekly, and long-term averages with quiet confidence. No apps, no Wi-Fi, no nonsense, just numbers that matter. Sure, the wish list includes a USB data export, but honestly, it already does what it should: help people breathe without guessing. In the crowded world of radon detectors, the Corentium 223 stands like a calm voice saying, "Here's the truth." 223 stands like a calm voice saying, "Here's the truth."